Hello everyone, this is 24th session of Computer Application in Business subject for 5th SEM BBA affiliated to Bangalore North University. Today I am covering the topic Information Systems and Management Levels. Recap of the previous class. In the previous session we have learnt about Executive Information System, or which is called as Executive Support System, its advantages and disadvantages. Learning objective of the chapter. The objective of this unit is to make understand the students about information system at different levels. Session outcomes. The students will be able to understand the information system at different levels of management. Information systems and management levels. Information system is as old as recorded human history. The introduction of computers into a data processing has evolutionized the business information system. The increase in business complexity and the capability of information system to provide a competitive edge to the firm have made management information system an inevitable component of modern business system. A number of information systems have evolved to support management functions at various levels of management. They include transaction processing system, office automation system, information reporting system, decision support system, executive information system, etc. These systems support business process at various levels of the organizational hierarchy. Information required at different levels of management can be classified as number 1, operational planning and control, number 2, tactical planning and control, number 3, strategic planning. So let's take the first one, operational planning and control, or we call it as operational level system or operational decisions. In supporting operational activities by keeping track of the elementary activities and transactions of the organization, such as assigning employees to tasks and recording the number of hours they work or placing a purchasing order. Operational activities are short term in nature. Operational systems are used by supervisors, operators, clerical employees. So, in the hierarchy of information at management levels, operational level will be the operation systems are used by the supervisors, operators, and clerical work. This information is used for in short in nature, usually for operational activities, wherein employees are assigned to the task, recording of their coming in or going out, how many of us work they are putting in, or placing and purchase, something which is routine in organization, routine in the work, and operational work activities will be done at this level. Let's go to the second one, tactical planning and control. It can management level systems, or we call it as a tactical decisions. Severe the monitoring, controlling, decision making, and administrative activities of the middle managers. This is the middle level jobs, wherein the middle level managers, they will monitor, they will control, they will be taking the decisions for the administrative activities. They provide a typical periodical report rather than instant information on operation. They are like a reporting system. They are going to provide the reports to the higher ups. And the principal question addressed by such system is, are things working well? They are basically concerned with how smooth the work is going on, how well the work is going on. They are bothered about that. Third one, strategic planning. Strategic planning, it's concerned with strategic decisions. It helps the senior management to address the strategic issues and long-term trends, both in the firm and in the external environment. Strategic activities are basically decisions that deal with situations that significantly may change the manner in which business is done. So basically it is a top level management. They are into the planning, they are addressing the strategic issues or the problems, and they are always into a long-term trends. They are focusing about the firm and of internal and external environment. So they are dealing with the significant situation wherein they want to get a change in the management, wherein which will help to do the business in a better way. So it is the top level management who are involved in the management decisions. So three level pyramid model at the different levels in the organization. We can look here. First is the executive information system is one system which will provide or give the information for making a strategic decisions to the top level management. So any information, reports, chats, graphs, everything extracted or provided, that is the data, information or a files which is there, which will be given by the executive information system to the top level management for taking the strategic decisions or for strategic planning. Middle level is tactical decisions. It's usually a middle level managers are involved. They are concerned about how work is going on to prepare the reports and for controlling the process, for managing it, for monitoring the work or a process. So for this we can have management information system. It is a system which gives the report, which helps in providing the data in a better manner, so that it can be the middle managers can give the information to the executives in the top level. So third one is operational decisions, or we call it as operational level system, wherein lower level managers are concerned, operating like supervisors, operators, clerical employees are concerned in this level. Their work is something concerned to the operating activities, the regular routine work which are short term in nature. Transaction processing system can be one system which will help them to take the information, which will help them to do their work smoothly. Potential risk of information system are de-skilling of workers. Workers may feel they are de-skilled. So that is one major disadvantage. Information overload. Because of the information system, there will be lots of information that can lead to the overload of information. Employee mistrust. Employee may feel they are going to be no use. They might feel that the mechanism or the systems may take over their place, so they will not have so much of confidence about this particular information or systems. Increase competitive pressure. Because of involvement of such information systems, people will be able to do excellent work. This will create competitive pressure on everybody. Next, poor returns from IT investment. The money put into this particular to adopt this particular systems will be too much. So the returns what we get from the investment made will be very less. Challenges in developing information system. So adopting, implementing such information system will be very difficult. So challenging it, finding out new things, doing research on such systems to improve such systems will be a very challenging job. Next, security breaches. Many a time hacking, somebody stealing the information, all this will be a problem. So providing a security will be very difficult, and always round the clock we have to be very alert, which will be very difficult to make it very strong, to make it very protective. Money involved to giving the security also will be very high. Let's go to multiple choice question. Question number 1, expansion of TPS. Option A, transaction processing system. Option B, transaction processing support. Option C, transaction product system. Option D, transaction product support. Correct answer, option A, transaction processing system. Second question, expand MIS. Option A, management information solutions. Option B, management information system. Option C, management information support. D, management information source. Correct answer, Option B, management information system. Question 3. Some examples of MIS. Option A, sales management system. Option B, inventory control system. Option C, budgeting system. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. In management information system, we can take all these three as examples. Fourth question, which of the following is an example of operating system? Option A, MS Word. Option B, MS DOS. Option C, MS Excel. Option D, MS Access. Correct answer B, MS DOS. Fifth question, generally the top management of an organization is more interested in option A, tactical decisions. Option B, day-to-day operations. Option C, strategic decisions. Option D, all of this, and the correct answer C, strategic decisions. For preparation of PowerPoint presentations and study materials, the following references we have made. Thank you.